Now next we will consider if we have got more than two media and their interfaces are parallel to each other. First, there are more than two media. Two media with parallel interfaces. इंटरफेस मीन्स बाउंड्री, जहां पर दो मीडियम मिल रहे हैं, मीट कर रहे हैं, उस बाउंड्री को इंटरफेस कहेंगे. ये एक इंटरफेस है. सपोज दिस इज एयर, दिस इज ग्लास एंड दिस इज वाटर. अगेन दिस इज एयर. दिस इज इंटरफेस ऑफ एयर एंड ग्लास. दिस इज ग्लास एंड वाटर, मतलब ग्लास और वाटर की बाउंड्रीज यहाँ मिल रही हैं, हाँ उनका लिमिट यहाँ मिल रहा है, और वाटर और एयर का यहाँ लिमिट मिल रहा है. For refraction, we are just considering refraction for more than two media with parallel interfaces. Here this is suppose glass, light rays coming in this way, this, suppose this is the refraction and ray diagram of refraction. This is I, incident ray, angle of incidence. This is R, this is R. Here is also R, so we will use here R1, R1, and this is R2, this is R2, and this is E, angle of emergent. For these three media we can write A and G. A and G means what? Refractive index of glass with respect to air, that is equal to sin I by sin R1. Again for glass and water surface, G and W, sin R1 by sin R2. For water air interface, W and A equal to sin R2 by sin E. Again this is equal to VA by VG, VG by VW, that is VW by VA. If we multiply all these three relations or equations, 1 into 2 into 3 gives A and G equal to into G and W into W and A equal to sin I by sin R1 into sin R1 by sin R2 into sin R2 by sin E equal to VA by VG into VG by VW into VW by VA. All will cancelled out in turn. 1, this cancelled out. So we get a relation. The relation is A and G into G and W into W and A equal to 1. That is G and W 1 by W and A into A and G. Now we know that A and W into W and A equal to 1. That is 1 by W and A, that is equal to A and W by A and G, G and W. So we can see that refractive index of water with respect to glass is equal to first refractive index of water, A and W. It is absolute refractive index of water, absolute refractive index, or simply refractive index of water by refractive index of glass. This relation holds for more than two media. This is a numerical problem. Refractive index of diamond is 2.42. What does it means? It also came in Delhi 2011 examination. First of all, refractive index of diamond. We will write the formula of refractive index. Speed of light in vacuum or approximately in air by speed of light in diamond. So we can transfer speed of light in diamond, speed of light in vacuum we know, and 2.44 to this. So speed of light in diamond, suppose Vd, that is equal to speed of light in vacuum 3 into 10 power 8 by refractive index of diamond 2.42. So it means speed of light, speed of light in diamond is slower, मीन्स डायमंड में लाइट रेज जब ट्रैवल करता है तो उसका स्पीड कम होता है, इज स्लोअर एंड इक्वल टू 1/2.42 into 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. If we calculate it, we can calculate it is equal to 1.24 into 10 power 8 meter per second. The problem is refractive indices of glass and water with respect to vacuum, means absolute refractive index of water and glass is given 3/2 and 4/3 respectively. If the speed of light in glass through into 10 power 8 meter per second, we have to find the speed of light in vacuum and water. Also refractive index of water with respect to glass and refractive index of glass with respect to water find out करना है. तो for the first case find speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light in glass is given. We know that refractive index of glass equal to speed of light in vacuum, that is C by speed of light in glass. We have to find out this value, speed of light in vacuum. C equal to refractive index of glass, that is 3/2 into Vg, that is 2 into 10 power 8, that is equal to 2 cancel 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. This is refractive index, speed of light in vacuum. Again it is asked find speed of light in water. For similarly refractive index of water equal to speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in water. We have to find out this VW. So we take it over left side, that is equal to C 3 into 10 power 8. Recently we have find out it by VW, that is speed VW यहाँ by refractive index of water, that is 4/3, that is equal to 9/4 into 10 power 8, that is equal to 2.25 into 10 power 8 meter per second. We are asked refractive index of water with respect to glass, means we have to find out G and W. By previous formula we can write it as NW by NG means absolute refractive index of water by absolute refractive index of glass. पहले इसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऊपर होगा, बाई में रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इसका नीचे होगा. लेकिन अगर स्पीड ऑफ लाइट की बात की जाए तो स्पीड ऑफ लाइट में ग्लास का ऊपर होगा VA बाई VG, सॉरी VA नहीं VG, VG बाई VW, VG बाई VW. We have to find out this. So G and W equal to refractive index of water, that is 4/3, or refractive glass 3/2, that is equal to 8/9. Refractive index of water with respect to glass will be 8/9, and we know that G and W into W and G equal to 1. So refractive index of glass with respect to water, that is W and G, equal to 1/8/9, that is equal to 9/8. Now this question is find refractive index of a material if angle of incidence is 45 degree and angle of refraction is 30 degree. Refractive index means absolute refractive index. For this case, angle of refraction, angle of incidence will be in vacuum, that is 45 degree, and angle of refraction, this is in the medium, it's 30 degree. So this is vacuum, this is medium. So refractive index will be equal to sin I, sin 45 degree by sin 30 degree, 1/√2 by 1/2, that is 2/√2, that is equal to 2 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, we can write it as √2 into √2 by √2 cancelled out equal to √2, and √2 equal to 1.414. This is refractive index of the material.